Okay, so you know Claude, right? Anthropic AI. Turns out some Chinese companies basically tried to steal it. Honestly, the scale of it is kind of wild. So first things first, Chinese state-backed hackers actually use Claude as a tool to attack other people. Like they weaponized it. Anthropic caught them and shut it down. But still, not a great look for anyone involved, obviously. But here's where it gets really interesting. 3 Chinese AI companies, DeepSeek, Moonshot AI, and Minimax, allegedly ran what Anthropic's calling an industrial-scale campaign to extract Claude's capabilities. We're talking 16 million exchanges, 24,000 fake accounts. That's not some weekend side project, that's a whole operation. Basically what they were doing is called distillation. You pump a powerful AI with tons of questions, collect all its responses, and use that data to train your own model. It's like cloning someone's brain, but just asking them stuff nonstop until you got everything you need. Here's why Anthropic's actually freaking out about it. It's not just about IP theft. Their argument is that when you distill a model this way, you strip out all the safety guardrails. So now you've potentially got a Claude-level AI with none of the safeguards, possibly being fed into military or surveillance systems. That's the part that's got people nervous. Anthropic's now pushing for stronger export controls on AI, which, depending on who you ask, is either a totally reasonable national security move or just a convenient way to slow down competition. Either way, the AI arms race just got a whole lot messier. What do you guys think?